Today, I'd like to tell you how to make a viral video. Yes, it's simple. It's not difficult to go viral. I know you've been seeing people video having like 100K, 15K views, having like 300K, 1 million. I'd like to tell you how you can go viral. It's very, very simple. I'm giving you a bonus at the end of this video. If you'd like to know more about my channel, do it to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that YouTube will always alert you when I drop new videos. So the way to go viral on YouTube, as far as YouTube is concerned, is to copy and paste. Hey, don't go yet. You've not got what I'm saying. Copy and paste does not mean go to copy somebody's video and posting on your channel. That is not how to do it. Because every video that is posted on YouTube has content ID. So you cannot just get somebody's content and post on your channel and YouTube will not flag. There'll be a red flag on your channel. So that's not what we're saying about. What we're talking about is go to your colleagues. Should I call them your colleagues now? Or go to the channels you follow. Go to the people you listen to and check out their videos. Check out the videos that have gone viral and look at the video that are doing, better on that particular channel. Study them. What did this person talk about? What was he saying in this particular video? And at what point? You understand? So take note of those things. How did he express himself? If it was a discussion, how did he do it? So study those videos carefully. Nothing less than 10. Okay? You can do that from different channels and make sure those channels are related to your niche, right? That is good. Now, having done that, watch all of them. Listen, we're talking about copy and pasting, but this is how to do it. Listen to all of them and make sure you understand the concept of those videos. If you understand the concept of those videos, then you now go ahead and produce your own in your own way, your own style. Now, because you are talking about the same thing, you are just talking about it differently. The algorithm understands that you are speaking on the same topic, but you are bringing in something new, something different. So that video is likely to go viral. That's how to make your videos go viral. Don't struggle. I know you have to be different. You want to be unique. It's beautiful, okay? We all want to be original, but that is how to be original. You learn from somebody, then you refurbish it, you redesign it. Even when the person sees that video, the person will not know that, this or that came from me. Okay? You will have made it so well. You understand? So do this and you'll find out that your videos will start going viral. Let me now tell you what you should not do. Now that I've said going viral, now somebody goes, woo, yeah, I'm going to go viral. Be patient. By the time you conclude your videos, you conclude your concept and the rest of it, make sure you don't use any music that has copyright on it. Because that's the danger. When you go viral with somebody music that has copyright, the person will share from your profit if you happen to get monetized someday. Except if that music is royalty free. And the best place to get this kind of music is on YouTube. So this is a bonus for you. I'm giving you a bonus right now. So ensure that the music, you're going to be using any background sound, any background effect, whatever it is, make sure it's royalty free. And you're going to enjoy your viral video. If you like what I just shared with you, give the video a like, drop your question, drop your contribution, and let everybody learn and we grow together. See you in my next video.